वाहेगुरु 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 वाहेगुरु।
Start the talk. Who has question can ask. Yes.
First, sorry for my English. I hope my question is clear. Can you talk about the wound of abandonment? Is something present in my life, and I can see it's inside me, and it doesn't depend on outside. And I saw this is a limit from my life. So I want to ask you something about this, and how can overcome, or how to face this. That's my question.
Understand everyone. Who is understand? Can't say it. This question.
He asked, what about the wound of abandonment? When you were a child? Yeah.
Yes. Okay. You
From
don't
childhood. From childhood.
Puoi aiutarmi sulla, diciamo, si può parlare sulla ferita di abbandono, come, diciamo, come affrontarla e come.
Yes, wound of how is it? Wound of
Abandonment.
wound of abandonment. How to face it? How to come viverci o come andarci?
Sì, diciamo che è presente in me, mi rendo conto che limita la mia vita e vorrei in qualche modo superare questo.
He has this wound and he would like to go behind it and yeah,
Like from childhood.
dall'infanzia.
Sì, è qualcosa che mi porto dall'infanzia, sì.
Yeah, from childhood he carries.
E che poi si presenta, si può presentare nelle relazioni, ma anche in altre
And
situazioni.
this wound can show up in relationships or in other situations.
Yes, we have much wounds. Childhood also coming. It is not only in childhood, whole life getting the wounds. Somebody hurt you, somebody hit you, and this sometime happen very big wound going inside in your deep and unconscious, deep in memory. And any type of wounds you get from parents, you get from pupil, you get from society, friends, many type happen these things. Some accident, some unnatural things, and this going in very deep inside. So all the wounds or all the hurts or all negative part of your life, where you being negative, you get so negative things. You ask, how do I go beyond it? How do I finish it? How to clear it? So cleaning part, you have to go. When wounds coming, when you go, when memory is coming, when things is starting you, or any situation comes, suddenly you remember this again, has to watch it. has to look it. Only the way to watching, not to avoid. When things coming, when you remembering start anything, no need to run away, no need to avoid. If you avoid, never will be clear. Because this is inside you, has already. Anybody did something, anybody gave something, so this happened. So then just when this situation coming, when memory is coming, or when any situation come like this, you have to watch it. You have to look it. And I say just watch it. Meditation means watching. And it is not also when any negative things come. When you are bad mood, depressed, disturbed, confused, then you say, okay, now I watch, now I look, now I meditate. Then it is not also work. Work only happens when you continuous do meditation. Just you watch whatever is happening. Watching is that chemistry clean your all negativity, all your wounds, deep wounds, not only from this life. When this life is clear, then you go in past. Somehow from past your memory is coming. Mostly when you are joy, when you are positive, when you are good thing, this is not getting unconscious. Unconscious always happen with the negative things. Negative things with darkness happen. And this darkness is you are creating in your memory, in your unconscious. And then it will come again and again. So sometimes big wound happen, any situations come, now also coming, similar things, and you just go in this. And when you go in this, then you afraid. Then you not open for that thing. Some love is happening, some friendship is happening, you like to somebody, you going too near to each other, and then suddenly this wound is coming. As this wound coming, is fear come. And as fear happen, you shrink. You not open. Suddenly your heart is shrink, becomes closed. You are closed. So only to clean this wound, you need some meditations, some techniques. And this meditation slowly teach you how you can watch. When your energy looking start inside, and your energy, your light is going in this wound, going in this darkness, then this darkness will be clear. Otherwise, again and again and again comes. And I say, whenever this situation comes, you are closed, you are afraid, suddenly fear, be there. Don't avoid, don't run away. Otherwise, again and again and again, it will come till you not clear it. Until you clear, then okay. Otherwise, again and again and again it will come. Sometimes happen, sometimes big accident happen, some big things happen in life, and this wound is going in shocked. Mind is very shocked. Mind is don't understand why happening this thing, and sometimes you getting some wound or some wrong thing happen in your life. And I say, this is your karma also. Anything happening in your life wrong, anybody hit you, anybody do wrong thing with you, understand you did this thing to him also before. Not maybe this life, but many lives. And we are carrying all our karma. When you doing wrong thing to others, that moment you don't feel, yes, I am cheating, I am hitting, I am hurting, I am beating. That time you are okay, very okay, good, I do something. Your ego is developed, strong. But when these things come back to you, when somebody beat you, somebody hit you, somebody do something with you, then you very saying, oh God, what is happening? Why this thing happening to me? What I did? What I wrong I did? You did something. Here whatever you get, this is your coming from past. Everything coming from your unconscious. Because everybody living unconscious. So everything whatever happening and your future is developed from your unconscious, from your past. As your past, your future will be like this. If your past is violence, negative, angry, and then your future will be like something you get. Maybe you are okay, but you did something to somebody before, he will come, he will meet you and give you. Therefore, this life we have to create whatever we did before, we have to clean it. Maybe something you did, now he did doing to you. So this is balance. Karma is balance. So whenever anything wrong happened, don't complain to existence. Why you showing me this thing? What I did, or why I am so bad now? Why I am so depressed? Why I am so wrong? Why wrong happening in my life? You did it. And then now, as you living start consciously, living start more aware, more present, then you not doing wrong. Whenever you are present, you cannot do wrong. Cannot do anything wrong to anyone. Why? Because as you are present, you not in mind. You not in past, not in future. You are here. And when you are here, you in heart. Heart is open. You coming to heart. And as you in heart, then you full of life, full of love, full of light. And then love and light, you cannot do wrong with anything to anyone. When you are very, very loving, full of love, full of light, no any violence, no any anger, no any cheating, no any lie, cannot do to anybody. Because love you cannot make. To whom you love, you cannot lie, cannot cheat. Only cheating, only using happen because you not love this. Then just to right way, come back to your heart. As your heart is open, your space become bigger. Space, heart like a space. Your inner space become big. And in this space, as your heart, as your space become big, all type wounds from unconscious, whatever you have, not from only this life, all your life, past, all your past, millions life, all will be get healed. Everything get healed. Only the way, open your heart, bring your love, make you more loving, and this love is light, and this light clean your all type, clean your all type of whatever hurt, whatever wound, whatever negative you have, everything. Only this way to do meditation. And for meditation also, just every day 1 hour minimum, just 1 hour. If you want to clean your life, get good life, perfect life, so I say just one thing you do start. Every day 1 hour minimum giving start. Just close eyes, look inside. Many techniques we have about meditation. Which technique you like, every day do practice. This is not 1 day do, 2 days not eat, then again 2 days do, then again 1 day break, then no more. As every day you eating, every day you sleeping, every day you be fresh, do many things every day, same every day, one work is meditation. 1 hour only. And I say if you start 1 hour, automatic your life is changing. Your darkness is healed, much healing happens when your looking start inside. Then automatic your wound, your disturbance, your mind getting clear. then everything is right. And then as you like, then 1 hour will be 2 hours, then you like more, 3 hours, 4 hours, and slowly, whole day you are aware. Whole day you are very present. And as you present, suddenly love and joy is there. You feel joy, you feel silence, very relaxed. Mind never relax, understand. When you in mind, not relax. Mind thinking about past, making plan about future, always he go here. He never stop, he never in middle. And as he come in middle, he finish. As he not think about past, not think about future, he is present. And as you present, mind is not. Then life start. You living life, you in life 20 years, 30 years, 50 years. But I say you don't know the life. Life only coming, happening when you are present. Then you know, then you enjoy whatever around you. Everything you enjoy. Then life, you know the life. Now you passing the life, not enjoy the life. Mind with cannot enjoy. Mind never here, and enjoy only here. When you coming in this present, meditation makes you how you can come in this present moment from life. Enjoy is as you present, joy is. As you present, love is growing, love is flowing in start. And when love and joy you have, light you have, then life is beauty. Then life only is beauty. No problem, no disturbance, no difficult, you are flowing. So, just meditation teach you how to enjoy your life. Then as you enjoying start, suddenly one thing happening start, you remembering start yourself. You coming back start to yourself. You knowing start who you are. You coming to your being, coming to your center, coming to your source. Meditation make this. And then one day you know who you are. You just reach in your being, come back to your being. Then you know for whatever you came here, whatever existence sent you, purpose is done. One master was, he saying things in like a poem. Many masters talk like in words, in sentence, and somebody like in poem. They cannot talk, but they sing it. So he sing in Hindi many 100 years before he was. He sing, आए थे हरि भजन कोटन लगे कपास. Like maybe he living in one small village. There is many trees. They making crops, and they make crops like a cotton. Tree cotton comes and they take it. Every like all farmers has this. So he lived there and he said to all villagers, everybody who come, you came here, you existence sent you here to remember the God or remember yourself. But you are busy. If anybody asks you what you doing, many times you go to look to people going to river or lake, they catching the fish. What you do? Catch the fish. Or what? What to do else? They passing the time. They have time, but what to do? Okay. Go in river, go in the water, catching the fish. Sitting hours of hours. 2 hours, 5 hours, whole day. What doing? Catching the fish. What means? Because they don't know what to do. They not enjoy themselves. Master, when you come to master, master saying, he is here. existence in your heart. Look inside. Go inside. As you go, you feeling start. Feeling start this godly energy, this divine energy. You have it already. You never been away for a single moment. You always with him. Only you don't know. You forget. Forget because you're looking outside. Looking many other things. As you open eyes, this, many things. God not looking. Everything look. And then you think about these things. What you see. Okay. God is disappeared. Not appear. Existence totally disappeared. That far, if you want to see that, you have to go, close your eyes, look inside. These two eyes with you cannot see. To see him, you need open your third eye. And third eye is heart. Open the heart. And as your heart is open, I say, everything will be fine. Everything will be perfect. No any problem. No difficulty. You enjoy the life and you say, your existence is very good. You send me, I enjoy your planet. I enjoy your everything, all your creation. So beautiful creation. And then you enjoy yourself, and then you feel all your darkness is clear, will be clean, and then life is beautiful, and you will make start. This is just to start the meditation. Every day give 1 hour. Soon you are changing. Many times new people come, never do meditation, not do. Even you ask about me, one day also I was like that. 21 years, why? Just read one book and he write just 15 days, every day 1 hour, only 15 days, no much. If you like 15 days every day 1 hour meditation, 16 days if you like, you will go on anyhow. If you enjoy, you will go on. Even your family, your parents, your wife, your husband say don't meditate, no meditation, but you will not listen. Your heart, you enjoy, you not listen anything, you will go on. But 15 days you have to give time, only 1 hour. And then 1 hour, no enemy. 1 hour can take everybody. This is not 1 hour nobody has. 15 days just like an experiment. So, do total, which techniques you like, go with it full on. It is not slowly or little bit. 100%. 100% do, sure result. Sure, your energy is boiling. Energy as boiled, then energy will lift. This lifting energy will be why all your wounds, all your darkness automatically will be healed. You don't know, and suddenly you find after few days, month, years, you are new wounds more come till your all darkness. As your darkness clear, this darkness becomes the light. When you have light, life is perfect. So just remember yourself, remember the God, remember the existence. Life is beautiful. More other question?
Babaji, I am with you from last 5 years and it is going like very good. But I have a feeling, like I feel sometime myself with you like a slave. Like I am very near with you. It is like 80% is gratitude, like thank you, like you allow me to be with you. But 20% is this feeling. Like I do whatever you say me, and I just follow you. But sometimes it's like if I'm in mind, then it is like 100%. If I am in heart, then it is maybe 100% is gratitude. Like what I do with this feeling. Like the same with Daya also. Like Daya also felt same, and she left and went in a gondola. But we people who are very near with you, like many people say, like Vici also says sometimes same. What we should do with this feeling?
This feeling has only coming when is mind. Mind don't want to, don't want to listen, don't want to surrender, and this is whenever mind coming. Sometimes mind become very strong. Then this type feeling, mind don't want to go with anyone. But mind and heart is fighting. Sometimes heart is, when you in heart, everything is right. Very good, very beautiful, very perfect. And when you in heart and with you with master, and then heart is saying, I don't know. You know everything. You know much more than me. I don't know. Then you fall. And this is surrender. And mostly master check the disciples. How much surrender is going on. They saying do this thing, do that thing. Even if you with me, I'm very easy, very easy, very easy. If you've been in any Zen master, you don't know what he can do. Very hard work they say. Very hard things they say. Do it. Anyhow, very good you not been with Guruji. Very difficult be with him. Very hard. Sometimes he beating already. He has a stick already. Just beating without reason, he beating. Disciple don't understand what's going on. He doing many this type shock, giving shock to mind. Stop them. And Jain master, you heard many story happened. Suddenly they take the disciple, throw out from the window. First story, second. Then what can happen? Broke the leg, anything can be die. Happen. But when you near the master, much you getting much also, too much you getting. When you work with him, near with him, every day meet, be with him personally, sitting, much getting. But sometimes happen, you get too much. Over, cannot digest, and then vomiting starts. And this is vomit. Mind is saying, oh, I don't get, I don't want to be like this. And mind don't. one woman become enlightened is Meera. 500 years before. Often she sings. She's singing about Master, singing about Krishna. Even Krishna is not there. Krishna was 5,000 years before. She is 500 years before. Big gap. But she had live Master also. But she always with Krishna. Remember. Because she been with Krishna when Krishna was alive. She was one Gopi. And she often singing Moko Chakar Rakho ji. Means make me like your servant. I can service you. I can serve you. Whole life only I want this. Too much surrender. If you can keep me, if you give opportunity, I can do anything for you. And this is love. This is surrender. And as you coming more to heart, heart always has one thing, I am the last. I am nothing. If I can do something for you, it's very happy. To me, when my enlightenment happened, first thing came in me. First after whatever I got. Then grateful so much, only grateful there, Master. And this came in me, if I have existence, if you give me 100 life more, I know life is finished, I not come back. But if I get 100 life, and this 100 life only I can service you, do work for you. I cannot give back whatever you gave. I cannot pay back whatever you gave. And sometimes I see also when people are near me, sometimes I send him also. Because I know they cannot bear me. Very difficult happen. Live with fire, live with too much love. Mind cannot digest. Mind is freaking out. So sometimes happen it little bit go up. I send go there. Sometimes they don't understand. Sometimes they understand. Maybe I don't like them. I don't want to be with them near me. But I know soon otherwise they can be rebel. Mind is coming start. When mind is coming start, then he say like this. Mind is never like. Mind never like to be around the Master. As he coming more near to finish, he getting more people. And then it happens. But as you come more near, your test will be more bigger exam, more big exam. You have to pass it, you have to pass it. So somebody passed, somebody not passed. Mind don't want to be slave, mind want to be owner. So one way I say, yes, meditate, honor yourself. But when you get honor and coming to heart, you want to be great. So this both is happening. Till mind is there, mind always there. But your heart is moving. As your heart is getting more space, more open, and this fight will go on. Sometimes 80% heart, 20% mind. Sometimes can be 80% mind, 20% heart. and it happens. And it will happen. Mind never want follow anything. Mind always want own. I. But when you in heart, yes. This you know, you happen. And living near to Buddha is very good also and not good also. Good, your heart will open more. You drink this energy. You drink him. And not good, because mind will be finished. Our mind is no good. And he don't like. He don't want to finish us. How he can want to finish? How he can want to suicide? Nobody want to suicide. But if you going in this way, you go with Master, be with Buddha, he has to be finished. And when he is finishing, he start arguments, giving you arguments. Why you doing this? It is not good, it is not right. Like this. But very fortunate, very lucky that person to whom Master says, do this and do not do this. Very lucky. Master not doing with everyone. Very few. But sometimes happen too much, mind cannot bear it. And then, mind, just understand. This is mind thing. Already you understanding also. It is mind. When mind coming, you don't like surrender. Mind and surrender totally opposite. Mind never wants. Surrender always happens and you in heart always creates surrender. And also when you say I love you, I go down to you, go down to Master. I love Samdarshi to you too much. Soon your other side is coming. Then soon it will come. Maybe few hours after change, or next day change. But you have. Soon this part is coming. And I don't like Samdarshi. I don't want to be with you. And you in heart, I want to be with you. This both is going. And I know when you say it, I love you, I say yes. I not taking it. Because soon otherwise your anger comes. Or I have to take both. I receive both. I know. This is game. Mind. Mind and heart, light and dark, is fine. And it will go on till last. Till end. Till your mind has last part. Is not finished. As coming more last, he go more revealed. More strong. Because he know very well. Little more, go more, and he has to finish. Then he want to run. So, just when it happened, look your mind, say, I know you. You are very clever, you are very cunning. Mind is clever. Mind is clever. Mind never like you. Mind is darkness. Darkness never want to come to light. So they always both has fighting. But I say, heart will be with. Light will be win one day anyhow. Darkness cannot go. Darkness will be finished one. If you go on, if you not run away, if you be with him, be with this energy, be with this atmosphere, being with Master, and if you have love with him, perfect, enough. But mind will come again, mind will be run away, fear coming. Who is afraid? Who is want to run away? Who don't want to? So sometimes happen this, sometimes this energy working, mind energy, sometimes heart energy. Sometimes you in mind, sometimes you in heart. So both times. And it will go on. It is not, it will be stopped. This is not all the time is mind, heart. Somebody has more heart, somebody has more mind. But everybody has both energy. When this thing coming, has to watch, look it. That is it. So devotion is the way. Just whatever you say. Devotion means I am nothing. Whatever you say, I am. I don't know. If anybody to you ask what happening in you, what is meditation going on, what you get, what's happening in you, and if you say, I don't know, I just do meditation, I just go in this journey, but don't know. That is it. Which day you say, I know, you don't know. Who saying, I know, they don't know. And who say, I don't know, they really know. Seen, you heard about Osho. 40 years he taught. Every day, morning evening, giving discourse. Even he's sick sometime, he's not good, but coming. Coming through this body as much as people can get, this world can get. This is his compassion, too much compassion. And he's saying so much knowledge he's shouting through his mouth. And when he go after discourse, whatever he said, if anybody asks him, he says, I don't. Always 90% I don't. I know only 10%. Which day he left the body, also that moment he feels only I know 10%. Because existence is so big. Go on, even he knows too much. He knows everything almost. But always whenever he looks, existence is secret. Always secret. 90% always. And then they say, I know. 80. Don't know, nothing. Even too much knowledge coming. But existence always unknown. When you become enlightened, you knowing start, much knowledge coming start, existence showering on you, but also 20 years, 40 years, whatever you live in body, when you go, I know. Nobody is there. Me you ask, I just talk with you, coming 1 hour before, I don't know what, coming from this body, don't know. Now I go, I just, nothing did. Totally relaxed. Not talking anything. What I said, I not remember. Sometimes I wonder, also just come, sit and talk. Coming words coming. 1 hour continuous, 2 hours continuous. But as I go, this is real relax. This is fully Vishram. Param Vishram. Param means ultimate relax. No bother to say. Nobody is there. Even now is feeling already few years. Before, in beginning, when enlightenment, enlightenment. Now this enlightenment also. And this is param, ultimate. Beginning, Kal, when enlightenment happened, feeling it is happening. Through me happening. Through me can happen. Then slowly your flame becomes down. It's called sthit pragya. Pragya means flame, light. Light is totally stuck. No moving, no waving. And then that is the ultimate. No more than it. And this person this stage nobody knows what it is. It is totally so Meera always singing Mopo Chakra. She almost enlightened. She always singing, grateful to Master, grateful to even you listen to Kabir, he also sings. Whole life he is enlightened, he is Master, but he after also enlightenment, he always grateful to Master. He is saying, Guru Govind do khade, काको लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंदियो बता. Moments come when God is coming, existence is open. That moment, and Master is there also stand just before enlightenment. Master is there and existence is there. Master said, go. Now you go. You leave me. Now you go. Go to existence. But Kabira saying this. Kabira said. And then he doubt to whom he touched the feet. To whom he bow down first. He bow down to Master first or he bow down to God first. And then he said, no, I bow down to Master. If you are not here, who will save me? Who will show me? This is existence. Go to existence. Who show me? Who say me about him? So he always will. If gratefulness is finished, understand something is wrong. Something is not. Grateful should be. Even you become enlightened. After enlightenment, no master, no disciple, no you, no me. But gratefulness. Nobody is there to be grateful also, but grateful. Whenever they talk. Grateful about Master. Grateful about Sadhguru. Grateful about you. Then, but whenever mind comes, mind should want. Mind don't know gratefulness. Mind say, this is me, this is my meditation, this is my things, this is my awareness. But which day you know? Which day your eyes will be open, your inner eyes open, that day you know what he did before you. That moment you will know what work happened, how he do, how he work. Then really this feeling coming in you, if I have 100 lives and I be in your feet, sit in your feet, do work part, service part, I cannot do that. So this is mind, sometimes mind, heart, and it will be fun. Go on. And Master is checking also. Sometimes pass, sometimes not pass. Many times. so also checking many people. Many disciples left him, old, and many. So just check. When he came back from World Tour, came to Manali, and he gave to arrangement to Vinod, and he little bit did something with him, and then Vinod left him. He cannot bear that. Last hit, and also told after, if he passed, if he bear me my bad, he can be finished. He can be knight, but he could not. He was not there. He was there, and I made hit his unit, and he could not do that. Many times. But whoever left again has to come back. Come back to me or come back again in next time. So this is no. Somebody come, go. Somebody live few months, somebody years, somebody few years, somebody whole life can go together. Will not finish. This will be. You look, sometimes this is mind coming. Mind never wants to slave. Heart. How much I can be heart. When you in heart, and then if master say anything, he will. Oh, he choose you. He said to me, do this. I am so fortunate to do his, go on his work, do for him something, do for his commune something, do for his pupil something. Then Sangham Saranam Gacchami. And that again, Sangham Saranam Gacchami. Then next will come Dhammam Saranam. When Dhammam Saranam Gacchami, then your ego is totally man. Finish. So, okay, now we finish. Next 2 days, no sasta. But 15 we have morning, no sasta, but sannyas celebration. Who want sannyas, who want to have sannyas and no mala, or had sannyas and no name, they can give name. Tapasya. Also, if you giving name, you want sannyas, it is not you want and you get. See, existence wants. And if you get, if you are ready, you are totally open, you will get. Existence surely. He is the giver. But if your side, yes, no, 100%, then it's good. If you are 100% ready, like go in a journey, go to know yourself, want to know yourself, want to be with existence, melt in existence. If you fed up with your mind, fed up with your ego, sannyas means I am fed up. Fed up with this mind, fed up with this ego, and I want to finish. Then sannyas done. And sannyas means this is my decision. I want to follow the master. I want to go in his way. I don't know anything. Where is existence, where he lives, how he is, where is home. I told him, Master, he knows wherever he take me. This is the way. Sannyas means connected to Master, connection with Master. And as you connect to Master, your journey speed getting very speed. Because Master, Buddha energy, Buddha speed is very fast. Very, very fast. And as you connect, your energy getting fast. You getting the speed. Many, many things happening in start. Strange happening, new happening. Mind don't understand what's going on. Because as you connect to him, as you like the singing before was Nanak naam jahaj hai chadhe so Sadguru jahaj. Jahaj means ship. Sadguru is ship. Just you go and sit in the ship. Ship is going. He is going that side. You have to just jump, and sannyas is jump. Sannyas means I want to go to that side, finish this world, go to that world, disappear world, and that is your real your home. Sannyas is the way. So who like sannyas, they give name, and they coming, they shower, white cloth. Your name will be changed, mala you get, and you have to meditation. This you know has to forget. You can forget food. Maybe food no eat. Sleep can forget. But meditation, if you are ready for it, then well. Then sannyas is ready. Take the sannyas. Not ready? Wait. Whenever ready. Whenever you are ready for it. Sannyas always. Now getting. Now no happening. Okay. Come back to Rishikesh. 2nd April again sannyas will happen. Every 2-3 months after. And your opening is needed. Your heart has to be open. Then sure. So we enjoy 15th morning sannyas celebration. Evening will be birthday celebration. Dancing. Whatever you like to do, that time I look, you. I know whatever you making plans for it. Then we enjoy, celebrate, dance, this. Huh? Evening 7:30. 7:30 to mostly 1 hour no light. 7:30 to 8:30 never light. But we have to 1:20 light. Dance. First dancing, enjoy. This is very good day. Very, very good. When anybody coming who has to be Buddha and he born. Because he born to be a Buddha. This is already happened. Already is written. This person will be enlightened in this life. When he become, that day also this body. Master always has celebration. Disciple celebrate his birthday, his body birthday. His body came. Many people enjoy him. They enjoy also. Disciples enjoy. on 2nd April. So we can be celebrate that day. Sandarshis enlightenment day, become enlightened. That is more better day. Or whatever came, remembrances. I say Hari Bhajan. Hari Bhajan, happiness, happiness. All the time, only one music. Divine, divine. That day is very beautiful day. And maybe few years after, one celebration more coming through me is Nirvana. 8 years, 10 years, see how many years this party will be. Then you will buy up Nirvana. That day more best party. Whole existence is dance. Somebody going nectar fire, going and melting in these 3 celebrations have lost. Okay. Raman. And 11:30 will be meditation.
Laughter meditation, Swami.
Today we have new meditation. Laughter. How 30 minutes?
Yeah, 30 minutes laughing, 10 minutes lying down on the belly, in 20 minutes then I have music sound of laughter meditation.
So
then we can dance.
he is showing, he is leading this meditation. 30 minutes laugh. Very good. If you laughing 30 minutes, with laugh makes you innocent, make you present. If you in mind, very difficult to laugh. He will lead a very good meditation. You are right. He will say 30 minutes and 10 minutes of lying. Belly side, just start 20 minutes. You are new meditation for you. Laughing. With laughing and crying. These 2 things will your much darkness. If you can laugh. Now already start in the world. Now going in park, people coming in morning, 15-20 people together, laughing. Just laugh. Laugh with your tension, stressness, heaviness. This is good. Gone.